What could be more peaceful than living on a peninsula? How about living on your own private peninsula, within a peninsula known as much for its tranquility as it is for dramatic views? Because of its ultra-private location on one of the highest points in Palos Verdes, at the top of the exclusive Rolling Hills community, living at 29 Crest Road East is like having a piece of that peninsula all to yourself. So let's take it from the top, shall we? Because that's where you're introduced to the spectacular views here. Plus, if you start there, you get to enjoy the anticipation of following the gorgeous 130-meter-long stone drive down to the main house, stopping along the way to admire the fruit and olive trees, walking trails, and all of the unbelievable amenities this singular property has to offer. You'll discover a massive Olympic-sized riding ring and corral with barn and tack room. Tennis and basketball courts offer plenty of room for spectators at friendly weekend tournaments. They can even enjoy chilled refreshments from the built-in fridge. A sumptuous infinity pool cools things down while reflecting the mood of the sky. And the showpiece pool house has a full entertainer's kitchen to satisfy any guest. Continue down past a rare California redwood grove planted in the 1950s to the tranquil Zen Garden. And finally, you arrive. The main residence, in all its multi-layered luxury, practically floats above the clouds. Inside the home, the first thing you'll notice, of course, is the expansive Pacific Ocean view from Catalina across the Palos Verdes shoreline. After that, you'll begin to settle in and truly appreciate the meticulous attention to detail evident from the custom Tommy Mitchell butterfly chandeliers in the spectacularly useful kitchen, to the finest imported Carrara marble in the kitchen and luxurious baths. The living areas, public and private, are thoughtfully laid out with maximum comfort and easy living in mind. Honestly, the beauty of this terraced estate 10 years in the making is that you can start wherever you are and end up wherever you need to be. In this special place, each sunset is more memorable than the last. And the biggest decision you'll have to make most days is which cozy vantage point to choose for your nightly basking in its spectacular glow.